Hey everybody, we are here at Blizzard Beach on December 11th. We're gonna have a good time today. It is gonna be like 86, 85 degrees as the high today. Goofy's not over here meeting us today. We walk in. Oklahoma, Venezuela, Canada, New Jersey. Oh, Kissimmee. There's a giant Stitch. Chicago, so people are making their mark. Orlando. We should write Ohio. We are from Kentucky.
Let her write Ohio.
That's what I was going to say. Is there chalk?
Yes.
London.
Good job, girl. Good job.
Oh, there's Mexico, Colombia, Argentina, Guatemala, Puerto Rico, Chile, England, South America. That's pretty awesome. What'd you get? A safety book? Oh, nice. And it has like stickers? What's in the back? Oh, cool.
These are stickers.
Yeah, it says happy birthday.
Tattoos.
It is kind of back. Why is it backwards? Oh, what's it? You can put it like on a window or your car or something. Or yeah, first visit and then 2 little cards. Or 3 actually. Nice. You want to build a snowman?
It's not correct.
Yeah, they're not squirting water today. All right, let's go on some tubes. Not snow tubing today, but on the water. Down there is the lazy river. Not seeing a whole lot of people. It's a good sign. Not too busy at all today. Raina just took the kids into the lazy river, and I'm just gonna walk around a little bit and see what's around, see how crowded everything is, not crowded, because so far it doesn't look very crowded. We're a little bit worried when we came into the parking lot because there were a lot of cars, but there's a lot of empty chairs. So the lazy river doesn't look too packed either. So I'm just gonna walk around a little bit with my camera before I get in the water with the GoPro. So see how everything looks. Over here is the wave pool. And then over here is the downhill double dipper. Making my way through this cave. Seems pretty peaceful today. It is such a beautiful day today. So, that is where I want to go right now, is to go take some pictures of overlook to see everything up there. So to do that, you can either take the ski lift or millions of stairs. So I'm already over here at the base of the mountain, so I'm going to take the millions of stairs. Look, not a single person in line. Like, my kids would be having a heyday. Right now they're in the lazy river with Brayden. So that's pretty awesome. Like, even those slides over here, nothing. There is some people in line over here for the zip line, but not very many. And then, of course, these always say 15. Like, every time we've come here, they've always said 15-minute waits, but they very rarely ever are. All right, time to go up the stairs. All right, so I made it to one of the landings for these little stairs up here to go to the overlook. And just gonna quickly scan over the little kiddie area here. Not crowded at all. And these little icebergs that you climb across, my kids love those. So they'd be very excited to have hardly any wait to do that. Look at that, there's like nobody in line for Summit Plummet. Nobody. And here we are, right around the corner. So right here, Summit Plummet. And back behind me is the Teamboat Springs, the family ride. I'm gonna go to the observation deck. And just around this corner, you can see the racers over here. I mean, there's no lines, guys. This is pretty awesome. Blizzard Beach in December. This is pretty great. It's in the mid-80s. It feels fantastic. Crowds are very minimal, and we're gonna have a great time today. We're very excited. I'm Heather from Sunshine and Family Time. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more upcoming videos on our channel about Orlando, things to do in the Orlando area, or different places that we might go. So we're very excited to be here today. We made it to the overlook. And over there is the kiddie area. We have the ski lift. We have this right here down the middle is Summit Plummet. As you can see, right there it is where they start. And they pretty much go straight down. If I can get right underneath here, where they go through. And that's where they pop out. Very, very steep. So you can see so far. It reminds me of like the lighthouse that we went to in the Florida Keys. You can see so far. Only in the lighthouse we could see, of course, the ocean on all sides of the island. And then here, way off in the distance, I see right there's the Hollywood Tower of Terror. We have the Swan and Dolphin out in the distance as well, which we were there recently. Also, not inside the Hollywood Swan. The Hollywood Swan, oh my goodness, not inside of the Swan and Dolphin Hotel, but we were very, very close to it as we were doing the Fantasia mini golf. So check out that video. And then I'm not sure that this is going to pick up, but we can also see Disney Springs because there's that balloon way up high in the air on the right of the Hollywood Tower of Terror back there. Still up here on top of the mountain, Mount Gushmore, and over here is a McDonald's. So this is outside of the park. It's a really big McDonald's. We actually have not even been there, but it's a neat one because it has all these solar panels on top of it. So We would love to go there one day. I think it has even one of those bicycles outside that you can pedal and it powers up the lights. So right there, McDonald's. You can go eat, come back here and swim. Or just eat inside here at Blizzard Beach. But over here, not a single person in line for these tubes. And these, we love these. Our favorite one is the black one because you cannot see anything. It is so fun. So you're just in there like, ah, screaming. It is so much fun. And the other two are just open slides. I'm over here right in front of Teamboat Springs, and that, I believe, is Mount Everest. Pretty awesome. I also found Pandora right there. That little weird shape. Oops, my finger. Right there, this one popping up. That's part of Pandora for Animal Kingdom. You can see so many things from way up here. Here we are in Tykes Peak. This is an area we haven't really spent a whole lot of time in because it's for really young children. Tiny little slides over here with some water splashing up. And then these little alligators in little tubes. So cute. All right, going across another bridge now and still not seeing very many people in the lazy river. So if you're like, if I did, my children would be splashing all over the place because there would be no one there to bother. So they could just cause all the ruckus they wanted. I found them. Look up. Are you relaxing? Now that is my kind of wait time. Oh yes. And away we go! On the chairlift. Brandon and Owen behind us.
Okay.
Oh, they skipped that one because that one is the handicap one. So they're gonna go on the one after that. So what ride are we gonna get on, sis?
A family ride.
Oh yeah, family ride.
See the play.
Yes. Blizzard Beach in December. That is what I'm talking about. Yes, I mean, this is amazing. You know, we've been here a couple times and every time we've came, we've really not had long waits. But it's December, the weather is still amazing. And there's no lines. So we're excited. The kids have already gotten in the water. I've walked around. We're gonna go on our first official tubing slide of the day. The Family Water Rock Ride Teamboat Springs. I just saw this, Mount Gushmore, elevation 90 feet, and the lighthouse that we went up was 100 feet. So I was right. Pretty close to being the same height. We came over here to the Little Tykes place. Whee!
Mama, it's stuck up there.
All right, let's go up there then. All right. Nadia's gonna come down the slide.
That's what I said. She's gonna come down here.
Owen was actually too tall to go down this little slide. He's getting too big on us. Yay! Look at this little play area. It's like a little snow igloo. How fun! It's like little tunnels, little tiny baby slides.
I want to do the other one.
We were over at the Little Tykes play area, and Owen was running like he wasn't supposed to around the little splash pad there, and he slipped and fell. And he scraped his foot pretty bad in 3 different places. And so immediately found a cast member and told them, and they helped him right out, and they got somebody else to come with some first aid materials. They got some band-aids, they got some antiseptic ointment, and towels to clean it all up. And so now his foot is pretty bandaged up without band-aids. And they said, of course, we can always go over to the first aid area if we need any more. But his foot was pretty badly scraped. But he'll be okay, won't you, buddy? He'll be okay. But so now we are just sitting in these little tiny lounge chairs with the wave pool in the background. As you can see, I really want to get in the wave pool. But in front of us is the downhill double dippers, and we are waiting on Brayden. He's going up there. He's gonna go down the slide, and I think there's like no way. So it shouldn't take very long for him to go down the slide, and I think we might switch because I'd like to ride it too. Owen wasn't feeling like riding the ride right now, and Nadia's too short to ride it. So Brandon and I are just gonna take turns riding this ride right now. And then I think we're going to do some more slides that we haven't done yet today. I really want to do the purple tubes. We love those. And then I really want to get into the wave pool, some of the mat slides as well. So today is not over, even though we had a little hiccup with his foot getting scraped. It's still going to be a really great day here at Disney in December.
Owen won.
Did he? Yeah, he did, didn't he?
Wait. Yeah, Owen did one. Owen!
Owen, did you win?
Yeah.
How's your foot?
Mama, you lose.
Aw, man.
How's your foot, buddy?
Owen was cold.
Alright.
All right, we are in the Lazy River. We are gonna float around to our next destination, which is the Kiddie Area. They, of course, want to go on the little icebergs, climbing across and go down those little tubes over there. So we're gonna float, swim in this lazy river till we get there. Surprise! Let's go swimming. Are these crazy goggles or what? They're really not, but she won't wear it because it doesn't cover your nose. There's a lot of leaves.
Yeah.
Is my mascara running? Is my makeup coming off?
I know you.
Ready, set, go! Oh yes. This is the hot fudge brownie sundae with vanilla ice cream, hot fudge whipped cream, and a cherry over a homemade brownie.
It's good.
Yum! Is amazing. Look how beautiful. Little gold stars.
Mama.
Go Owen!
Do I have my goggles on me?
Yeah, that girl does.
Better get one. I didn't get
Woo! Good job, Nadia.
You got it. Keep going. There you go. I'm not going to use my eyes. All right, princess, when you get close to the yellow, you can let go of the rope and you still move on this one.
Woo! Yeah! Here we go. We are gonna go to the Tunnel of Doom. All right. You already did it?
Let's go first.
It's not really called the Tunnel of Doom. It's called Avalanche Area. This one, like, you go in here, and it's a very short slide, but it's very, very deep. So you go like way down. My turn! I'm out of breath because we just went up a million stairs. But we are going down toboggan racers with the whole fam. First thing, get one of these purple mats.
On your mark, get set, go!
Woo! That is winning! Second place. Grabbing our avocados.
Let's go!
Let's go! Let's go up the stairs and down the tube. Oh yeah! Red slope! It's our favorite slide. You can't see anything, but it's fast. It's really fast. Nadia! Woo! It's long too. We had a really great time here at Blizzard Beach, riding all kinds of rides and really nice warm weather here in December. And now it's your family time. Bye. Yeah, Figment. It's cute.